On July 30th, 1913, the Great Train Wreck in Pennsylvania resulted in one of the deadliest railway accidents in U.S. history. A passenger train collided with a freight train near the town of Duffy's Cut, leading to a catastrophic chain reaction. Over 20 lives were lost, and many more were injured. Eyewitnesses described a scene of chaos and devastation, as the impact caused several cars to derail and crumple like tin cans. The tragedy exposed serious flaws in railway safety protocols, prompting reforms in train operations and signaling. This disaster is a stark reminder of the risks involved in the early days of rail travel and the importance of stringent safety measures.